Alright, new cat people. So, you can see these plants over here are very pretty, right? And then you look over here and you see some deficiencies. See over there. Now you'll probably be like, oh well, it needs more nutrients. That's what it needs. Because it looks like it's getting all sorts of deficiencies. I mean, I'm sitting down right now. I got a torn meniscus and a torn ACL, so it's not like I can get up very easily. So I don't know what you guys can see when I go back there, but there's all sorts of leaf problems. So, these plants don't have any problems. They're being fed on the same schedule. Is it the nutrients? Is it really a deficiency? I don't think it's a deficiency. The color of the leaves are really good. Most of the leaves are nice and bright green. So, what's the problem here? Now you would flush, hopefully get everything out. But unless you get a soil pH meter, you're never going to know the real problem of something. There's no deficiency going here. Well, there is a deficiency, but it's not a deficiency of lack of available nutrients that I'm giving the plant. It's a lack of nutrient uptake that the plant can take up. And now why, you ask? Because if you come down here, 5.6 on the pH scale. This needs to be 6.5 at least, which is perfect world. Maybe 6.3, but definitely not 5.6 or whatever it said. So now we come over here to my healthy plant, and I find a spot I can jab my meter in the soil without breaking it. And what are you going to see? You're going to see the pH level out. I think it was like 6.1, 6.2. Could it still be raised a little bit? Of course it can. But you see 6.3. Is it going to go to 6.2? Yeah. So 6.2, 6.3 is where it's at right now. That's why it looks a lot better. Because that's a okay pH range. Or a better pH range. You want like 6.5 to be perfect. But this just goes to show you how you can have two plants grown in the same spot, still 6.2. Two plants grown in the same spot, fed the same thing, using the same soil. But if you don't have a pH meter, you're never going to know what the real problem is. So get yourself a pH meter, and I'm going to give this sucker maybe 7.5.